Welcome to Million Mile Microscope. Tonight, we embark on a voyage to the edge of imagination. We explore a cosmic event both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow space travelers. We're diving into the heart of a black hole. Imagine Earth hurtling toward a black hole, an invisible monster with gravity so strong not even light can escape. Our planet, a pale blue dot, is caught in its irresistible pull. A cosmic dance of destruction is about to begin. The black hole's presence is subtle at first. Tides on Earth become erratic, satellites veer off course. Light from distant stars bends around the unseen behemoth, creating strange visual distortions in the night sky. These anomalies are just the beginning. As Earth draws nearer, the black hole's gravity tightens its grip. Tides rise to monstrous heights, inundating coastlines. Earthquakes of unimaginable scale rip across continents. The very air we breathe begins to thin as the atmosphere is stripped away, drawn towards the black hole's insatiable maw. Now the true horror of a black hole's power becomes terrifyingly clear. The gravitational pull on the side of Earth facing the black hole becomes infinitely stronger than the pull on the opposite side. The planet begins to stretch, a process scientists call spaghettification. Earth, stretched beyond recognition, breaks apart. The forces at play are unimaginable, tearing the very fabric of our world. This is not a gentle end, but a violent, catastrophic event. The planet's crust shatters, and the core is exposed to the harshness of space. The remnants of our planet are not granted a clean death. Instead, they drift aimlessly, a haunting reminder of what once was. These fragments, now mere debris, float through the void, carrying with them the history of a lost world. Each piece tells a story of destruction and loss. They are drawn into a swirling disk of superheated matter called an accretion disk. This disk is a chaotic whirlpool of energy and matter, where temperatures soar to millions of degrees. The gravitational forces at the center pull everything in, creating a maelstrom of cosmic proportions. This disk, glowing with the light of a billion suns, is a cosmic graveyard. The intense light is a result of the immense energy being released as matter is compressed and heated. It's a dazzling yet eerie sight, a beacon of destruction visible across the universe, littered with the shattered remains of stars and planets. These celestial bodies, once vibrant and full of life, now lie in ruins. The accretion disk is a testament to the relentless forces of the universe, a place where the past is obliterated and only fragments remain. It is a stark reminder of the impermanence of all things. Imagine for a moment you are on that doomed planet. The sky above you is a canvas of swirling stars and cosmic dust, a breathtaking yet ominous sight. The ground beneath your feet trembles slightly as if aware of the impending doom. You feel a mix of awe and dread, knowing that your fate is sealed. You are racing towards the event horizon, the point of no return. The black hole looms ahead, a dark, gaping maw in the fabric of space. As you draw closer, the pull of its gravity becomes almost unbearable, dragging you inexorably towards it. Your heart pounds in your chest, a mix of fear and exhilaration. Time itself begins to behave strangely. Seconds stretch into minutes, minutes into hours. You glance at your watch, but the hands seem to move in slow motion. It's as if time is being stretched like taffy, distorted by the immense gravitational forces at play. You realize that you are experiencing time dilation, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. It slows down for you, relative to someone watching from a safe distance. To an outside observer, it would appear as though you are frozen in time, suspended in a moment that stretches on forever. But for you, time continues to march forward, albeit at a snail's pace. You are caught in a cosmic dance, a delicate balance between the forces of gravity and time. You witness the universe around you warp and distort, a final surreal spectacle. Stars stretch into long, thin lines, and the very fabric of space seems to twist and bend. Colors shift and change, creating a kaleidoscope of light and shadow. It's a sight both beautiful and terrifying, a reminder of the immense power and mystery of the cosmos. As you approach the event horizon, you can't help but wonder what lies beyond, in the unknown depths of the black hole. What lies beyond the event horizon? What happens to matter crushed to an infinitely small point, a singularity? These questions continue to baffle scientists. Some theories propose we emerge into another universe, a concept as mind-boggling as it is unprovable. The singularity remains one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. The prospect of Earth colliding with a black hole is a sobering thought. Imagine the sheer force and gravitational pull that such an event would entail. Black holes, with their immense mass and density, warp the very fabric of space and time around them. They are regions where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. This makes them invisible to the naked eye, detectable only through the effects they have on nearby matter and light. The idea of our planet being drawn into such a cosmic abyss is both terrifying and humbling. It serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth and the ever-present forces that lie beyond our control. It reminds us of the immense power of the universe and the fragility of our own existence. Our planet, a tiny speck in the vast expanse of the cosmos, is constantly at the mercy of these colossal forces. The Milky Way galaxy, our galactic home, is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy contains millions or even billions of stars, many of which may host their own planetary systems. Amidst this cosmic grandeur, Earth is but a fragile blue dot, teeming with life yet vulnerable to the whims of the universe. The vastness of space and the enormity of these celestial bodies put into perspective the preciousness of our existence and the need to cherish and protect our home. Yet these cosmic monsters also inspire awe. Black holes, with their enigmatic nature and mind-bending properties, captivate the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. The swirling accretion disks of matter spiraling into the event horizon, the point of no return, create some of the most spectacular and energetic phenomena in the universe. These cosmic giants challenge our understanding of physics and push the boundaries of what we know about the universe. They are not just destructive forces, but also key players in the cosmic dance, influencing the formation and evolution of galaxies. The study of black holes opens up new frontiers in science, offering insights into the fundamental laws that govern the cosmos. They challenge us to push the boundaries of knowledge. Scientists and astronomers dedicate their lives to unraveling the mysteries of these celestial phenomena. Using advanced telescopes and cutting-edge technology, they observe and analyze the behavior of black holes, seeking to understand their properties and the role they play in the universe. The data collected from these observations is meticulously studied and visualized, providing valuable insights into the nature of black holes and their interactions with surrounding matter. This relentless pursuit of knowledge drives innovation and technological advancements, paving the way for new discoveries and a deeper understanding of the cosmos. The quest to comprehend black holes is a testament to human curiosity and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. Black holes remind us that the universe is a place of endless wonder, full of secrets waiting to be unlocked. The cosmos is a vast and intricate tapestry, woven with countless mysteries and phenomena that challenge our understanding. From the birth of stars in nebulae to the majestic spiral arms of galaxies, the universe is a treasure trove of awe-inspiring sights and profound questions. Black holes, with their enigmatic presence, are among the most fascinating of these cosmic wonders. They invite us to ponder the nature of reality, the limits of our knowledge, and the boundless possibilities that lie beyond. As we continue to explore the universe, we are constantly reminded of the beauty and complexity of the cosmos and our place within it. Thank you for joining me on Million Mile Microscope. Our journey through the cosmos has only just begun, and there is so much more to discover. Together we will continue to explore the wonders of the universe, delving into the mysteries of space and uncovering the secrets of the stars. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes as we venture further into the unknown, guided by our curiosity and the spirit of exploration. Don't forget to subscribe, share this journey with your fellow explorers, and leave a comment below. Keep looking up. Your support helps us continue to bring you fascinating content and share the wonders of the universe with a wider audience. Let's embark on this cosmic adventure together, always seeking to learn, discover, and be inspired by the infinite expanse of space.